Hi, I'm Jo from JoDo, and I'm so excited to help you organize your shoes. After opening the package, you'll see 40 different pieces. One shoe stacker is 2 pieces. Step 1 is to take the piece with the side tabs or pegs. Now, take the other piece with the holes on the side and hold it above the first piece. Snap the tabs into the open holes. We'll show you that again. Make sure you hear the snap. A pack of 20 can feel overwhelming to put together. We recommend doing a few at a time and then heading to your closet to start organizing your shoes. And then put together a few more and repeat. The product is designed to be durable and long-lasting. And in order to hold even your heaviest shoe and work properly, they have to be fully secured. If you're having trouble getting the tabs into place, use a tool like pliers to help. I personally wear a size 9.5 and my husband wears a size 10.5. And this is our actual closet at our home in upstate New York. We're able to fit all different types of shoes. Some of your larger shoes may require you to change up the way that you position the shoe or the shoe stacker. After you wrap up assembly, give yourself a big pat on the back. You can now set it and forget it. Your shoes will be so organized.